Haryo. Today in our yoga class, I will tell you the technique of exercise, asana and pranayam which is beneficial for low blood pressure and high blood pressure diseases. Earlier in part 1 of our video relating heart care, I have told the diseases, how much diseases are sustained by heart and what is this reason to be suffering by heart diseases. Earlier part 1 it is also told you that all the person relating to heart disease has to perform the wind releasing group exercises. My video relating to wind releasing group exercise called light exercises named Sukshma Vyayam is already there in the YouTube. You can watch and learn a technique how to perform it. Thereafter some asana which are beneficial for low blood pressure and high blood pressure patients. Then pranayam, I am telling you the technique. Lotus posture is very beneficial pranayam asana for the person affecting high blood pressure. You can see first of all we have to stretch both the leg and sit in this position, then bend the right leg and place the ankle into the left thigh. Similar another foot placed on the right thigh. This is the lotus pose. In this pose, the spinal is erected and automatically we go in the state of meditation. Both the hand placed on the knee, then Jnana Mudra, and sit in this pose sometime being full of concentration. This pose will give you relaxation in the high blood pressure. This position come to exercise very easily after exercise, practicing some time light exercise which is called mind releasing exercise, which is already given in the earlier video in name of Sukshma Vyayam. Thereafter thunderbolt posture. Thunderbolt posture is posture like this. Hold both the leg from knee and place the ankle in the under the hip. The hip, the side of ankle should be both side. Then sit in this position. In this posture also, spine is automatically erected. Close the eyes gently. Place both the hand on the knee and sit some while. Get relaxation in the meditation position. These asanas are very beneficial for the both the patient low and high blood pressure. Thereafter very much compulsory and necessary asana which give benefit for the high blood pressure patient and low blood pressure patient. This is called the laying down posture. This can be performed in both types. Lay on the floor. This is the position. The body should place on the right side. This hand stretch up and leg stretch down. Then the left leg fold in the 90-degree and ankle place in the knee. Then the hand in the right side. This is the position of laying down posture. This gives very much relaxation. If you want to get so much relaxation, then the hand place this type up to the head and ear in the floor and get relaxation how much time you will feel good. This is from the right side. This give benefit for the high blood pressure. Now you can change the position, which will give benefit to the low blood pressure patient require it different type. Low blood pressure patient requires to exercise this asana this type, means left side, and take much more relaxation. These asanas have a vital benefit not only for the blood pressure, but if you are affected by insomnia, then this will give you more benefit for that purpose also, and blood pressure should be maintained. Then you have to exercise pranayam called Surya Vedi or Chandra Vedi. Surya Vedi pranayam is very beneficial for the low blood pressure patient, and Chandra Vedi pranayam for the high blood pressure. Surya Vedi pranayam is the exercise where we inhale and exhale the breathe from right side, right nostril, push the left nostril, then inhale from the right nostril and exhale from the left nostril. This is called Surya Vedi pranayam, and the heart patient has avoid to exercise kumbhak. We have not to block the air inside or outside, which is called kumbhak, but other aspirants has to be exercised with the kumbhak. This is the precautions. Let us see how to perform this exercise. Inhale from right side, exhale from left nostril. This is the one term. This exercise of pranayam has to be repeated various times. This will give benefit for the low blood pressure patient. Then different Chandra Vedi pranayam, the push the right nostril and inhale from left nostril, and exhale from right nostril. This is called Chandra Vedi pranayam. This will give benefit for the high blood pressure. So, dear friends, today I will tell you technique of lotus pose, thunderbolt pose, laying down pose from right and left side, then Chandra Vedi and Surya Vedi pranayam. These are to be exercised after the practicing of Sukshma Vyayam. These asana and pranayam will give you vital benefit and effect from both the diseases, low and high blood pressure. Thank you. Hari Om.